Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Miranda at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm super excited to be here because I've been a little MIA last week with traveling with that new position that I just started. So everything went well. I have some photos that I'd like to share with you guys. It is on my recollections update. So I hope you guys go there and check it out. But let's jump into this plan with me. Reminder, this is last week's spread, and I'm using these cute little bookmarks from the LOL line, I believe, or Paper Studio. Don't remember, but they're both cute, and they went with my sleigh theme. This week, I am going to have a fall theme. So we will be planning for, oh, look at that cute little journaling card. So this week we will be planning for the week of October 15th through the 21st in our classic happy planner. And I decided that I'm definitely doing fall, even though it's not looking a lot like fall or feeling a lot like fall. And here we go. So let me tell you guys, this right here, oh my goodness, this is the meal plan on it accessory dashboards from Michaels. I absolutely love these. Yeah, this is a little smeared because I just got a little wine on it, but let's not worry about that. It does not rub off unless you send for it. So you know Nene Leakes says don't call for me unless I send for you. This thing will not come up unless you put some water on it to activate it. But I used this to pre-plan my week. Is that not amazing? I love it. And these are the Expo Visa Vis markers, and they are for the overhead projector, and they don't rub off in your planner. All right, so I'm using this to pre-plan, and let's jump in and get started. So I pulled some stickers from our sticker pads, the seasonal sticker pads, and I chose these stickers here. This one says fall in love with moments. And this says it's fall, y'all, with that pumpkin spice. And this says, oh, hello, fall. And I'm gonna put that on Monday because guess what? It was a little nip yesterday here in Charlotte. And then here is another fall sticker. In conjunction, I have pulled a couple of washi tapes. Yes, it's the exclusive. You guys know what it is. You know what time it is. This is that exclusive that's Simply Gilded. So this is Autumn Sunset Pumpkin. And it'll go cute with that pumpkin spice. Look at that. This is Cocoa and then Merlot. So even though the Autumn Sunset has rose gold versus regular gold, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I pulled it out because I really like it. All right, so that's the washi tape we're going to use if I choose to use washi tape. And I decided to also pull a couple of seasonal sticker books. So I have the original seasonal sticker book, and this one had 1,557 pieces. This is the new recent seasonal student sticker book that we had, and this is the teacher seasonal from last year. So I'm planning on pulling fall elements from all of them. Okay, so we are using these stickers as our inspiration, and I am putting this Oh Hello Fall. I'm putting that on yesterday because, and yes, I am planning on Tuesday the 16th because, guys, this jet lag is killing me, and a girl cannot get her life, okay? So I'm finally starting to get my life back together, and I don't feel like I'm going to fall asleep at any moment now. So it's starting to get a little better. I think I'll be back to myself by Thursday. Okay. Oh, look at me laying a straight sticker. Go figure. All right, so we'll use that. And I am hanging out with some friends this weekend, so I'm going to put fall in love with moments for that. And I really think that that hangout day is on the 20th, but it may be the 21st. Let me confirm that because I don't want to put it on the wrong day. So it's actually on Sunday evening. So I'm going to put it here on Sunday. It's actually on the 21st, and I did put it wrong on my No, I put it on Saturday. I put it on the 20th, but it's actually the 21st. So we're going to also use this because that's going to be a game night, adult game night with friends. Not going to say that it's crooked, but it is crooked. Okay. And let's take this one that says, it's fall, y'all, pumpkin spice. Let's put you up here where it says remember, and let's cover that up. Okay. So we can throw that away. Alrighty, let me grab some tweezers. I guess I don't have any taken out. I'll just grab those surgical tweezers. And I want to put some fall leaves and things around. So let's see. I'm thinking this is a seasonal book, but I could have told a lie. There's some, I'm correct. We do have some leaves and things. So let us, I don't want too much orange. So we're going to, let's see. Put some leaves, just kind of shroom. Is that a word, shroom? Did I make that up? Probably made it up. I like these acorns. So we can take the acorns and probably put them in between the days. Need some. Now I'm gonna take this student seasonal and we are going to really, I really need some want to use a checklist that has orange or this green or even this purple, you know, because we have this purple sticker here. All right, and I just don't feel the shade of orange there. So let's continue to, I'm not gonna put anything from the newest seasonal book. Let's go old school seasonal and see if I can find any boxes or anything in the color family that I'm looking for and that I haven't used. Okay, those are totally not it. All right. Let's see. All right, so I guess I'm going to have to just kind of be creative. And let me grab my little pre-planning dashboard. I'm loving it. Let's see. So I know I can alternate these. Oh, wait a minute. We have an orange checklist. Yes. And I think before I lay this orange checklist down, I want to choose some washi, and I'm going with brown, this cocoa. I really like it. I think it'll be pretty. It'll be a nice addition to the spread. So, because that coral is just kind of throwing me off, it doesn't really go with our spread. If you want to tell the truth and be honest, ooh, that cocoa is so pretty. Oh, I'm feeling it. It's so cute. All right, so let's Let's hit that. Cocoa. All right, maybe we can hit some Merlot and then pumpkin. So here's some pumpkin down here and the Merlot. That's what we're going with. That's our scheme. We got it. I'm not going to use the sunset one. I am getting all the fall feels. I'm telling you, these colors are so vibrant and they go together so perfectly. Let's see. And we won't cover up the sticker there. We'll just let that sticker be. But I do not like the fact that this is poking through. No, ma'am. We won't have that poking through. We're gonna clean that up. Okay. Yes. I am missing a 10 millimeter mustard color Simply Gilded washi tape. So I'm on the hunt for that. Just a 10 millimeter. I like that. I mean, the 15 is cool, but I really kind of like the smaller one better. Okay, so now when I place this checklist there, it doesn't look crazy because guess what? Look at how those colors just bring fall alive for us. Yes, and I need this checklist. Okay. Now, I am going to take this. See, I wish I had a gold. I do have gold colorful boxes. Yes, that will work perfectly. Oh my goodness. I am happy that I remember that I have gold colorful boxes. Yes. And we're gonna put this down here. And this is for, it's crooked, I know. I'm about to turn it. Come on, sticker. Don't make me break my undo out. I'm looking at it right now. And she is ready to come out and assist me at any time. See, my undo is my enforcer. She enforces straight stickers for me. Okay? I'm going to take this gold box and I'm going to stick it right here in betwixt these stickers. And I think I want to lift this part up just a little bit and let it just go a little bit on there. I like that. Okay. Now, on Thursday, I have some things to do as well. And so, before we do that, let us figure out how we're gonna lay washi tape here. Let's lay it in reverse. I think that I'm done. I think that this is quite enough. I don't want to overkill anything. I think it's super cute. Super cute. I hope I've been in frame, guys, because girl gets carried away. All right, now time to throw some plans down. Using my pre-planned dashboard, as far as pens this week, I am using my brown InkJoy gel in 0.7 and my orange Friction erasable pen in 0.7. So I think that turned out quite lovely, and it totally gives me all the fall feels that I have been looking for. And the weather is starting to feel a lot like fall, so we are finally reaching that time of the year. So I wanted to have a spread that reflected that. So this is my completed spread for the week of October 15th through the 21st. And guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this because I had a good time getting myself back on track. 3 things. Okay, not 3, 4 things. Number 1, if you enjoyed this plan with me, give me that thumbs up below, and don't forget to comment. What's your favorite part of this spread, or have you started doing your fall spreads? If you could let me know below, that'd be great. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. And let me know if you're a new subscriber so we can all say hello to you. Duh. And if you're a current subscriber or you have been subscribing, thank you so much for the support. You guys, I absolutely appreciate it. And finally, if you're not following me over at Instagram, pop on over there and let's talk. I'm at Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan there as well. Well, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and productive week. And you know what? Dress for the weather. Don't let fall catch you out there because this is the time where people start getting the flu. So have, once again, a stress-free and productive week. Ciao, Bella.